This is It Soon Be Done on key of G. It soon be done. On the other side. It soon be done. The other side. It soon be done. The other side. So you can also do it with this. So that was strumming. I'm going to do this method. It soon be done. The other side. It soon be done. The other side. Thank you. So, I mean, the most important thing is for you to be able to change your fingers quickly on the different chords. You see that even me, I was a little bit slow with the D major. So basically, the chord progression is G. So you go from G, you go to D. From D, you go to C. And also, I also use E minor. I use E minor. So first you go to, you use G. It soon be done. It's not of triumph. So when you after that, then you go to D. From the other side. That's C. E minor. Then you go to E. You go back to G. That's how it is. Thank you. Bye.